But closing in on the day, and what a day it's turned out to be after a long wait of 1 year, 2 months, we finally made it to that all-time high on the index, on the Nifty, and similar has been the case for the Sensex as well, made it to that all-time peak. Let's check in on what some of the movers have been like and where is it that you've actually seen leadership in today's trading session. Pull up the big winners because today you had Nifty Bank as well participate very, very smartly in trade. So that entire pack will also just come up for you on your screens right now. The Nifty Bank closing in on that 59,655 odd level in trade, and that's where the Nifty Bank has shut shop for the day. But the performers in the year gone by, let's look at some of the leadership names, a Bajaj Finance, a Bharti, and what all those stocks have done vis-a-vis what they're currently holding out at. Most of these names have done well. Bajaj Auto, of course, was a rank underperformer along with names like Trent, etc. And maybe some of those stocks, either they've bounced up or at least they're seeing some amount of consolidation as well kick in for themselves. That said, today, of course, it's a very, very different picture. Today, you've seen metals, new age names, financials and technology come to the fore. In fact, in the last lap, I think in the last 1 month or so, Nifty IT has had a due share of contribution to the Nifty bump up as well. Today, of course, it's been a little bit of a different story. But if you talk about the new age names, look at a Paytm, for instance, not much of a meaningful move. A Zomato, and these are what the price action today on those names is. 1291 is where 197 is closed in at. Zomato will also come up for you on your screens, or Eternal 302 is where that stock is shutting shop for the day. Swiggy being the other one, which will just come up for you on your screens next. Ashok Leyland, Madison Sumi, Loris Labs, Coforge. That's where you've seen the meaningful and meaty moves coming. Having said that, the breadth continued to favor the declines.
Absolutely, the breadth continues to favor the declines, but the ratio between the advances and declines, advances have pushed back slightly, and that breadth seems to be getting slightly more optimistic as we close in on the day. It seems like Bajaj Finance, ICICI Bank, Shriram Finance from the broader end of the from the mid-cap, from the Nifty space. But from the broader end of the market too, you do have a lot of stocks that have done very well in today's trade. It's names like some of the gainers are Ashok Leyland, 6.5%, GMDC, Nuvoco Vistas, Escorts, Tejas Network, they all do well. On the flip side, Whirlpool, a big cut over there, 11.5% on the back of the block deal. Natco Pharma, which was a top gainer yesterday, continues to lose. Motilal Oswal, Keynes Tech, Radico Khaitan, PG Electroplast, all of them seeing cuts excess of 3 to 3.5%. But that is how we're shutting shop for the day. Yes, we've managed to eke out a shred of green. Very nominal gains for the Nifty. We'll give that rate some time to settle, but around the 26,220 mark is where we've shut